All right, guys. So bear with me. I realize that we have been doing a lot of stuff related to Fifine, but like what it boils down to is a brand that I know I can trust and I believe in because I personally purchased their products also. So today we're going to be looking at the X3s, which is a Bluetooth wireless headset. It's got active noise canceling in it, multi connection. They have great sound quality. We'll go ahead and do some testing with this. It's going to be something that we're doing just the regular unboxing for, and then we'll pursue an actual review in a couple of weeks. It has an option for cable connection, comfortable earmuffs, fast link connection. On the box here, covers the fast link, convenient touch controls, multiple connections where like your computer and your cell phone, stuff like that. Multiple EQ modes that are right there. Multiple EQ modes, active noise canceling, long battery life, and freedom to move. It boasts a 600 milliamp hour battery right there. We're looking at 0 to 100% in 2.5 hours. The music playable time is about 33 hours roughly at 100% volume, and then the communication time, so like using it for like a cell phone, is 40 hours, and a standby time maximum of 65 hours. Obviously, and then here's our Bluetooth connections. It has A2DP, AV, RCP, and HFP. So those are those standards for you audio nerds that would matter to. It's the normal unboxing type experience that you expect from Fifine. We've got some nice high quality packaging. And then I had already connected these to my computer and played with them, but I boxed them back up the way that I had gotten them. So this way you guys can see that experience, You got to make sure things work, at least somewhat ahead of time. I'd play with them too deeply. We've got the X3's manual, which came in face up this time, so solid on that side of things. Now I will let you guys know that these were sent to me for review from Fifine. It came in from Amazon, so it's not like they like picked like some special. Even though I've seen people make claims beforehand that like, oh, it was like a cherry picked unit. That makes zero sense to do at all. The amount of manpower and time to like EQ and test a bunch of stuff is just ridiculous. So we've got a USB-C to A cable, and then we have the auxiliary cord, is what people would like to call it, or just a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack cable. So pretty standard, and it's got a lot of length. It's about 8 foot, 6 foot, something like that. So it does not say on the box what it is lengthwise. I thought that was kind of fun. Usually they're really detailed, but on that one, they didn't do that. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and unfold these puppies and take them out of their beautiful, gorgeous plastic sleeve. And we have some nice, comfortable. These are actually, if you liked the H9s, if you actually played with those, if you've seen them before, these are softer. The padding up here at the top is way more spongy and just really like comfortable. I'll have to, actually put them on, give them a try, and see what I think about them. But let's take a look at the button options we have here. So we have the power button that's right there. There we go. We have a volume control that round robin, so it goes through 3 settings, low, medium, and high. And then we have the ANC button, which activates noise canceling for active noise canceling, a transparency mode, and then just ANC off. So there's that, and then we're missing something in that box. Let me see. Here it is. Let's go ahead and pop that open. And we have a little microphone, which is, we'll have to test this one and see how well it does. That little microphone lines up right here. I think I've got it in back. There we go. Lines up right there and plugs in. Nice little boom arm to it. Um, so this feels nice in quality. So we'll have to play with it and see what we got. We're gonna go back to the and then the normal R and L. They're a little bit lighter. We had the white headphones for the other ones. There's the R and the L. Let's see, yeah, there we go. So I with the cats, anything I have, just as soon as it comes out of the packaging is it gets covered in hair. All right, so let's swap back over to face cam here. I'm gonna go ahead and take my headphone out real quick, and we're gonna try these on. Oh, they adjust nicely. I like them. I'm quite a fan of that. All right, now I already have them connected with Bluetooth to my computer. So let's go ahead over to YouTube, and we're gonna pull up some music. All right, and we're gonna be going with the album from Infinity, which is by Malcolm Horn, and this is the song Mercy. Now, I'm picking music like this because this is like stuff that I listen to over and over again. Ooh, the bass is really nice. It's very akin to like Beats, or even like the Pixel Buds that I have. It's got a nice bass to it. The mids feel a little muddy, but not horribly, and the highs are kind of hitting just right. You know, maybe a little off, but you know, if it, and that's in comparison to like, you know, higher end stuff like the AKGs, the ugh, I have them over here still. My did I get okay? I have the 371s, the K371s, which are very aged. They've served me well. But these are fantastic. I'm very happy with this. Okay, let's go to Moon Gaze. We go roughly about here. I'm very happy with this. Okay. All right, I can listen to Malcolm's music all day, every day. I'll have a link down in the description to his topic page. So this way you can listen to it yourself. All right, next thing we're going to try real quick on this review is we're going to go ahead and listen to the microphone that comes off of this headset. So we're going to put it into a good spot here, and then I'm going to go ahead and listen to my voice. Oh, this isn't too bad. Yeah. I mean, we're not expecting, you know, 688 level quality. You know, this is a little, you know, not USB, a little, I am vocal jamming myself.
All right, so that portion of the review got messed up. I'm going to try and actually turn down the microphone sensitivity here, so this way it's not too bad. So anyways, this is the X3's microphone that's here. Somehow my audio recording never swapped what headset or what microphone I was using. So this is the microphone that comes through this headset, and if I go and listen to it myself, I'm going to vocal jam the hell out of myself. It's not bad. I mean, you know, the key selling point to this, specifically on these, was not the microphone. They actually mentioned nothing about the microphone when it came to this. I didn't even know that it had this microphone. Um, so there's this, and then I found out during that review that if you unplug it, there's also a built-in microphone on the actual headphones themselves. So you don't need this with you at all times. I don't know which one I like more. But as far as that's concerned, yeah, this is entirely serviceable. You could definitely make a phone call with limited issue. That being said, we're going to go ahead and swap back over the K688 real quick here.
And be talking through this microphone, um, because this is the one that I use for stuff like this. Anyways, regardless, we're gonna go ahead and try this for a couple of weeks. I've got some plans here coming up, so it'll give me the opportunity to use these as if I were to use my Pixel Buds with my as my daily driver. Obviously, where applicable, I can't be wearing a pair of headphones while I'm at work like that. So we're gonna give that a shot, see how things go. I realize now that my microphone volume is set low still, so I'm gonna be fighting that. Regardless, anyways, editing Moiety can deal with that. Editing David can fight that off. I did find also that there are touch controls from reading through the manual, because I was wrong. In the manual, it does state that the length of that speaker wire, which I know I did a little note, but I just want to, stated, is 3.5 meters. So yeah, like 3 foot, 3.5 foot. So that is not bad. Obviously, guys suck at length on things. Okay, bit too much of an adult level joke for a family friendly channel, so I'll continue on. Anyways, if you guys want to give these a shot, I'll have a link down in the description to the Amazon listing for these. If you're interested in them, give them a shot. It lets Fifine know that your purchase comes from me. Regardless, as a final note before we head off, we have a charity live stream that's coming up from the 21st to the 26th of December. So that's this month in 2025. So if you're seeing this later, hopefully we'll have another one coming up. This will be the second time that we're doing a Pink Moid stream. We have $298 or 96, I can't remember it. I still haven't checked, left on our St. Jude's Children's Hospital stream. So if you are interested in helping to support that and potentially beating it before we get to the 21st, take a look down in the description below. It'll lead you to my Twitch page, and there is a subscribe. There is a donation button that's there. That being said, for the Pink Moid stream, we are not doing my eyebrows and beard this year for any bits or sub goals. Twitch doing things weird. It throws me off every single time. We're not doing anything when it comes to that. I want the focus to fully be on supporting the Children's Hospital with whatever donations we can get. If we're not able to accomplish that, obviously, I'm not gonna be dyeing my hair. But if you want to help support that idea, as promised, I will still commit to on the 21st. If we've already hit the $500 in total goal that's left, or that is the St. Jude's Children's Hospital fund, then I will dye my hair pink on the first day of the multi-day streaming marathon that we're doing. I don't have any exact dates left set. I'm going to be doing the streaming here and there. It'll be might be a couple hours. I keep yawning. It might be the entire day. It just kind of depends on what we have going on with that. So if you're interested in taking part in that, head over to twitch.tv/Moiety or click in the link in the description down below. We'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be afraid to dive on into the rift.